guys, welcome back to my channel. If I can get this thing right. I thought I'd just come on for a few minutes and show you what I got for Christmas. And I'm sad to say, but it's for myself. When your kids is grown, I'm gonna pick up a few little trinkets, but and let me just tell you, I said I wasn't gonna buy myself anything. I didn't need anything, but I surely wanted a few things. If you can see in the background, I'm a book bag fanatic. So initially I was buying these huge purses, but girl, when I got addicted to book bags, so let's see. We went Michael Kors crazy. So she got this Michael Kors purse. I'm not gonna really take it out the bag. I'm gonna take mine out the bag, but I'm not gonna take hers out the bag. Oh, and I forgot to show you the one I'm actually carrying now. Can y'all see her? Now I got that for myself for Christmas last year. So that was my Christmas gift last year. And let's see what I got for Christmas this year. Before I show you, everybody know I'm a Falcon fan, right? Y'all know I'm an Atlanta Falcon diehard fan. So when I saw this book bag, y'all know I couldn't leave it on the shelf. Couldn't leave it on the shelf. Guys. It's red. It's red. It's red. Now I do think this one costs $179 at the outlet. And y'all know I'm down for a good book bag. Guys, look at this. Look at that. Look at this. So it's got 2 pockets on the side, no pockets in the front. And let me tell you something about me. I don't buy no book bags that have those snaps. It don't work when you pack it full like I do. So because I pack mine, I have to have a clamp. So you want to make sure that if you're a teacher, that's your best friend. That's your best friend. So let's look at, and let me tell you, all these book bags between Coach and Michael Kors, because those are the only 2 brands that I have. They're very much durable. I was not planning on taking all this paper to the dump today, but hey. Let's just rip on to it. Christmas is tomorrow, baby. This is Christmas Eve. And I just wanted to show y'all that I don't have no self-control when it comes to book bags. Girl, they shouldn't have put them in the store. I wanted the blue one too. I said, Lynn, if you don't get out this store, you done already bought 2. Look at that. Look at that. Can I say it again? Look at that. You just don't know. Your hands need to be free when you're a teacher. I'm just trying to see if there's any pockets. I'm keeping these. No real pockets in here. Just one for your laptop case in the back. Who cares? Just stuff everything in there. I'm keeping this. I put my book bags on the wall. Girl, I'm going to have the walls full. That's the decorations. I like looking at them. I think I'm going to move this picture, put the picture over here, and continue my book bag.
Happy holidays, we still consented. Plan a fool, but the spirit still lifted. Locked in purpose, yet our focus aligned. Every dream on schedule.
50-some years old. Look at me. Alright, so that's the first one. Girl, I couldn't stop there. Now, this next one, yes, I got 2. I couldn't leave this in the store. Our school colors are green and gold. I couldn't stop because our colors are what? Green and gold. Look at this green book. Look at this green book bag. Pockets. It doesn't have the MK on the front, but it has it. I don't care about MK. I just like book bags. Now it has the 1 snap in the middle. Not a whole lot of pockets in the inside. But guys, who don't love a good quality book bag? Oh my God. When I step in here with the matching green Adidas.
Happy holidays, we still consented. Plan a fool, but the spirit still lifted. Locked in purpose, yet our focus aligned.
Oh, I've been wanting a green book bag. Oh, I've been wanting a green book bag. Because I wear green on Fridays. I match my book bags to my clothes. I match my book bags to my clothes. Oh my God. I ain't done. I do want to show y'all the one I got last Christmas. I think I showed y'all in the video before. This baby right here, heavy but durable. You hear me? These book bags are holding a lot for the size. You can stuff a lot of stuff in here. So that's why I bought the other two. Because that's been my go-to. All right, the last thing I bought myself. Y'all ready? Guys. I'm going to wear these tomorrow. This is my Christmas outfit. I love a good boot. Why Coach do this to me? I was going to get some gray Uggs. Because my mother and father both gave me a little money. Look at these. They Coach. Look at these. These are what I'm wearing tomorrow. These was 130. What I bought myself for Christmas. Didn't need a thing. But girl, when you see something you like, just get it. And I got a tan sweater tomorrow with some leopard tan and green army fatigue. I'm sorry, not leopard. Army fatigue leggings and a cream top. Cute. Cute. That's it, guys. That's all I bought myself for Christmas. I'm going to buy myself a cream top to go with these shoes and that sweater for tomorrow. And then I'm going to be in leggings and t-shirts for the rest of the week. So, if you have enjoyed this video, saying what Miss Kit bought for herself for Christmas, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, y'all. I love y'all so much, and thank you for tuning in. And I am trying my best to get through Vlogmas. And tell me, what's one thing you splurged on this Christmas for yourself? And if you haven't, if you bought all them toys for them kids, let me tell you from a mother to a mother, they don't need them, and they not going to remember. Love you. Happy planning.
Happy holidays, we still consented. Plan a full, but the spirit still lifted.